Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can detect your object is collide with another object or your object is around any particular object or not. So here you can see here is my console. When my object will be goes to any particular object or they will collide with any particular object or they are surrounded that object, we can detect the console things, or we can use that like thing as a pop-up, as a sound effect, like they are collided, the collision sound, any kind of thing we can make. So here the simple example code will be available in a description below, might be in a comment section also. So here I am showing that demo. Here in last video I make a similar video, but there is a collision detection is a very different technique. Here I am trying to use like Raycaster, which is a like very more popular, a very famous thing in a gaming part also. So here if I move my object anywhere, you can see that is my dynamic object in black one, but they are not, like we are not getting until any console until we are not close to the object. Here you can see like now I am like, you can see that my console is running right now because that object is like surrounding that particular object, right? So if I collide with that object, but right now not collided, but they are also giving me the console we are collided. Now if I collided, the same thing also working. Now now they are not collide with that object, but they are surrounding that object. That's why we are also getting that approximately detect around q1. So here is another q2. I goes to that q2, you can see there, you can see there's a q2 detection around it. So if I like make it close, so you can see there is also one console again. They are not collide with, but they are also telling me they are collided. Might be there is a like virtual box are there which is collided. So now if we collided, you can see we are getting the colliding. There that is one is a Raycaster. I am using the Raycaster things. Here you can see that is the my code below. Here I am using the Raycaster object, which is I am using for like detection the Raycasting. So much. I hope you like this video. You will find this code description below. Assalamu alaikum.